You turn the key in your Grand Cherokee, the engine cranks hard, but it refuses to start. This frustrating issue is usually caused by a hidden fuel pump relay failing inside the TIPM, but you can fix it quickly and cheaply by installing a simple TIPM bypass cable. The Totally Integrated Power Module, or TIPM, is essentially the central fuse box acting as the electrical command center for your Jeep. Inside this module, the manufacturer decided to solder the fuel pump relay directly to the circuit board. Over time, this relay burns out or sticks open. When that happens, your engine cranks perfectly fine because the starter gets power, but the fuel pump stays completely dead. Your fuel rails stay empty, and your Jeep leaves you stranded. Some drivers even report the fuel pump running continuously after the engine is off, which drains the battery overnight. Replacing the entire power module can cost over $1,000 at a dealership. Luckily, the aftermarket stepped up with a much smarter solution. A TIPM bypass cable allows you to route continuous, clean power directly to the fuel pump from another power source in the fuse box. This completely bypasses the dead ghost relay buried inside the circuit board. Installing this bypass cable takes about 5 minutes. You just remove the designated fuel pump fuse, plug the bypass cable tap into that empty slot, and route the other end to a continuous power fuse or directly to the positive battery post. This restores proper fuel pressure instantly. Your engine will start right up, and the bypass serves as a permanent fix without cutting any factory wiring.